YouTube, I honestly don't know what's going on here, okay? I have this gift, okay? It says happy anniversary on the package here. It's obviously me and my wife's anniversary, okay? But I don't know what's going on here. She gave me this. She told me to put on the camera, record it. Record it, babe, she said. And I was like, okay, alright, alright, I'm gonna record it. So basically, I'm gonna open this thing up, show you guys what I got. Hopefully, it's something exciting to where, yeah. Okay, we got the paper here. We don't need that. Alright. Obviously got something in the mail. You guys know how I feel about that. Okay, alright. Nothing more in the box, okay? Nothing more in the box. So let's just crack it open here. Don't. I can open it up, okay? I don't go to the gym, but I can open it up. Let me just see what's inside here. There's a lot of packaging. Is there anything in this? Absolutely not. Okay. Well. What do we have here? Some seniors? Okay, alright. Let's see. We crack it open. Let's see here. Okay. Listen to me when I tell you. Well. B.Clark.Customs. Okay, alright. Listen to me when I tell you. I wasn't expecting this. Whoa. Okay, alright. Okay. Alright. I just don't have words here. Okay, there's no words. Oh man. B.Clark Customs. Listen to me when I tell you. Thank you. Alright, no words, okay? Okay, review and usage on foot, okay, on use, the gold blade, you guys, the gold blade, okay, the review for this is coming soon. Let me give y'all a better, let me show you guys. Woo! The man knows I love Jordans. Woo! Black and yellow with the 360. What? Y'all thought it was Jordan? Nah, it's 360. Ugh. 360 Jeezy with the Jordan logo. Come on. It doesn't get no better than that. Look at the back. Woo. Come on now. Let me see if it turned on though. Let's see. Let's check out the sound. Zero gap. It's your boy 360 Jeezy, B.Clark Customs, okay, on Instagram, B.Clark Customs. Babe, thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. The love is real. The love is real. It's in the building here. All right. Okay, we're done here. Okay.
HustleDreamProduction.
Alright, YouTube, before you actually start cutting a waver, what you want to do is make sure you do a brush session first. Make sure the hair is laid in place before you actually start cutting. But in my case, the waver already came in pre-brushed, so I just dove right in. Usually when wavers come in, they already have their hair brushed, but as a kind of a safe precaution, or as a way to let the waver know that you know what you're doing, just brush his hair first. That way he's more comfortable with the way you're gonna cut his hair. So right now I'm using my Wall cordless seniors with the 1.5 guard with the lever open, and I'm just going with the grain, and I'm making sure I go slow. So after I got the hair all nice and cut, I am gonna do a slight brush session just to get everything laid back down. So when it comes to the first guideline of this burst taper, I'm gonna use my Endless Slimline Pro LIs, and I'm gonna set in my ball line into a triangle-like shape. I'm going to clear out the inside of that triangle, and I'm just going to leave it there. You guys are going to see how this comes out by me setting this guideline in like this. So as you guys can see, I am back with the Oster Fast Feeds. I got the lever open, and I'm just going around that guideline in a rainbow-like shape. Next guideline, setting in my one guard open, and I'm going up about 1 inch, making sure I keep that same rainbow-like shape around my second guideline. Same thing with the 2 guard open. I'm not necessarily going up about 1 inch, but I am trying to clear that bulk at the top. I'm going straight up. I'm not necessarily digging in. I'm trying to give that fade effect so it won't be a harsh guideline. Next step with the 3 guard open. Now I really don't usually use a 3 guard, but in this case I really want that blend to I really want it to basically blend in, so I'm just kind of going straight up, clearing that bulk out even more. So with the 0 guard closed in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now keep in mind that, and I want you guys to pay attention to how I use my corners and my corners only. I'm not using the full blade. I'm kind of digging in there with the corner and, you know, making sure everything is taken out as far as the bulk. HustleDreamProduction. Same thing with the lever closed in a flick out motion. Flick out that bottom line. Start with the top of the corner and just kind of blend it out. Kind of dig in and flick outward. Now it's gonna be tough to try to get this line out because you set it in with liners. So you could always come behind it with the liners to clear it out. So as you guys can see, I did go back over it with the Slimline Pro LIs just to, you know, clean it up a bit. And this is where you do your detail work also. All right, you want to take away from the blend, look away from the blend, come back and start doing some detail work, man. It'll make your blends that much more cleaner. Don't just rely on your guidelines that you set. You know what I mean? Not all the hair is gonna catch. You know, especially depending on what type of hair you're cutting. Not all the hair is gonna go in and it just blends smoothly by the guidelines you set. Make sure you do some detail work. This is very important to take your blends to the next level. Now, as far as the back goes, it's the same exact steps. All right, you're using your Slimline Pro LIs to setting your guidelines. You're coming back with the lever open with your ostrich fast feeds, and then you're going up into the 1 open. Then you go into the 2 open. Then you go into the 3, clear that bulk at the top, then come back down with the 0 guard close, clear out that middle line, and then finally, with your lever closed, knock out that bottom line. And don't forget, take a look away from the blend and do some detail work.
HustleDreamProduction.
YouTube, this is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Alright, if you like any tools that you've seen in the video, make sure you check out the links in the description below. Those tools will be listed down below. Also, if you like the beat, make sure you go over to HustleDreamProduction. His YouTube channel will be in the links in the description below as well. If you guys want to know where you can follow me, you guys can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. I also have a Twitter, okay, 360_Jeezy. Make sure you follow me there. But anyways, you guys, it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.